everyone, my name is Miss McKenna and I am from Kids Quest Children's Museum. Today we are going to be making a rice sensory bin. So I have filled up this clear tub with a little bit of rice. I have also added some measuring cups of different sizes and some measuring spoons also of different sizes. So big, small, medium things that we put into our sensory bin here. So we are going to see how much of our muffin tin we can fill up today. So I've got a very, very big measuring cup. So I'm going to get some rice, scoop it up, scoop up even more, and pour it into one of our muffin tins. Let's see what happens. It overflowed. Let's try an even smaller one. Let's see what happens when we add smaller ones to it. Add a little bit more. Fill it all the way to the top. Pour it in. And that filled it up perfectly. So our big one made it overflow, and our smaller one fit perfectly. What about if I use a teaspoon? Is it bigger or smaller than this one? Our teaspoon is smaller and our measuring cup is bigger. So let's see how we can fill up our muffin tin. So I give one scoop, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to fill it all the way to the top. It took 5 scoops to fill it all the way to the top. Let's see an even smaller one. Let's see how much it takes. Oh, this is gonna be a long time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 scoops to fill it up with our small teaspoon here, with our small teaspoon. All right, should we try something else? I'm gonna dump out our rice from the muffin tin. And I have 2 different sized bowls. Can you see that they're different? This one is smaller and this one is bigger. I'm gonna add them to our sensory bin. And I'm gonna see when I use my big measuring cup here, let's fill it all the way up, how much it fills up of our small one. Are you ready? We're gonna see how much it fills up. So it filled it almost all the way to the top. Let's see how much it fills up of our big bowl. Are you ready? Pour it in. Look at that. It filled up a lot of our small one and only some of our big one. I think I'll pour this one into here. It still isn't even as full with double. What if I just use the whole bowl to scoop it in here? Oh, can we fill it all the way to the top? Should we try one more time? Let's see if we can get it to overflow with our bowl. Oh, not quite. There's a lot of things in here. Still going. Let's try one more time. And it's filled all the way up, all the way to the top. Just like that. All right, I'm going to dump this one out. Just like that. And we're gonna add a cup let's see how many times we can fill up our cup to get it to fill up our big bowl. So I'm gonna put some in and pour it out. So this is 1 scoop, ready? 1. Get some more, fill it all the way up. 2. How many more scoops? Oh, I've got a spoon in there. And 3. 3 made it go over the side. We filled it up with 3 scoops from our big cup. Is this cup bigger or smaller than this cup? Can you tell? This one's a lot bigger. It can hold a lot more rice. This one's a lot smaller. It can't hold as much rice. During this sensory bin activity, your child is learning all about volume, an early math skill. By using different sized cups, bowls, and spoons, your child can understand the difference between the different sizes. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.